What's up, guys? I want to catch up with you on a little R&R. Now, this isn't rest and relaxation. What I want to talk to you about, reasons and results. I was slipping up. I got a little wet on the slip and slide, catching up with too much of that rest and relaxation. And I was just telling myself too many reasons for why I wasn't getting my results. But it's time to bounce back. And maybe you just need a quick little reminder as well that, it's time to start putting yourself in overdrive. Put into fifth gear and make it happen and really start getting yourself those results you want. Because nobody wants to hear about your reasons. No one cares about the greatest reason maker. People who are the greatest are all about results. They're results driven, right? Get your results. Here at Universal Abundance, everybody's about results. Helping the next person, getting that person to that energy they need, the drive they need, the creation they need, the motivation they need, the support that they need. UA is about helping you get to where you want to go. So if you're about results and you're done making reasons and you want to take yourself to that next level, make sure that you check out Universal Abundance so that way you could tap into the abundance that you deserve. So let's go.